family them. You hear?
Yeah, what they
so right now,
with you, they feel like you bring the family down.
Of course, fam. Even father when him even walk a road right now, him shame. I want to tell mama, me not see no man face on my face right now. I will me willing.
Listen to me. I told you this is my workplace. I am not non-biased. I got to ask question. I know this is my
go on. Huh? But you did say you believe it. Go on.
Guilty. This is my 29th day with no.
Remember, she said to you up on the live video, you know. She believes that one.
Girl tell lie. Okay, so she don't usually tell lies.
But you know, Mumu is she's a big liar though.
This girl not coming on here.
Because she said Dewey black her.
It doesn't matter if Dewey black her. You could have pulled her up on here when Dewey not up here.
She didn't come up here. She come up here section Queenie the
but Momo. Hold on.
Oh, so what you did
there? Say no.
She said yesterday.
You see how them something there? You see how them something there?
But Momo says she didn't believe, and that we are talking about now.
Because we said the white girl exposed fear man, and she usually not tell lie. We don't know.
May I be frank. Come being clear, come clear.
Come in vex for the 69 too. Like I mean to get the ball.
We can't tell you something. In a real life, you see sometime when a man you have to just give her mama and papa card that she deserves, you see me? In a real life. You see, if a girl not forget backers, she backers know that.
I am mix up.
Oh, you put me and you say you believe the white.
In a real life.
Remember me whole life from way now.
Hey, I buck up in this, you know, this one.
They say look on when you look on some girl, watching a cutie when I look on some girl, not even backers then can't get them not entice man them weird. You see me? In a real life.
So you said we are only backers again.
Not even backers mama get mama out. She a batty. I want to see mama flat like a board, you know. Backers.
I will send you over here.
She have to fling up them foot them and make them rest on one piece of shoulder. I want to see.
I do a what if attacking are going over here today. So nobody never go to church today.
It's not work. I go to church, I would have retired on my man day. Day 28 for me. 29. It's a day 29 for me. Right now, me I lose eyesight and hearing coming again. Yes, everything right now.
Yeah. If?
That nice.
Well,
that nice. But they want him smile, I make you to see him smile. Smile, I make you to see a Sunday. Go on.
Cutie, tell him about the people them over there, so to them can fix him up quick and fast.
Which people? Or we want to fix up?
Dental people.
Yeah. You can go to Turkey. I work with them for your clinic in my bio. I put them on there. It's so like Gulliver.
Cutie on the live. Smile, cute to you.
You say you're still like Gulliver when you're top. Let me see your teeth.
Yeah. Go on, your mama don't. Cutie, ambassador. You're not security teeth them.
Yo, you know what your beauty that dog, and your beauty, because anytime you put a teeth, it's anytime you put a teeth in that mouth, the dog, you lose that touch.
What's going on about? Not nice.
Listen, just one teeth.
Oh.
Just one teeth, smile.
I said that's the person I see people typing your name in the comment section going on about. Not nice.
Not nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, get the English. Yeah, get the English.
Yeah, it's so nice.
English, yeah, get English. English, man.
So
You don't understand English? You want to work in English?
Yeah, I understand.
You want a cup of tea, Mama?
No, love. No, thank you.
So not nice, you're not going to smile.
What am not nice or something?
Let's see your teeth.
Right now, the man light up over big wall.
Oh, let us see your teeth, babe.
I'm going to tell him, light up over there with that smile a while ago. No, that. Give me it again.
That idea, when them say Dewey business, them why you know, but not nice teeth, kick out everything. From Friday, when you're on a roll, you know, so I'm going to hide for a little 6 years. I can't bother.
I'm last life this year, I do
Dewey, what started you up today?
Yeah? It's like everybody afraid. Everybody afraid. You see me? From week, me I touch your life. Everybody they put, ooh, them afraid. Not nice afraid. Not nice, no one say nothing. You see me? Some of us, but us feel like for us, you see me, just tackle it and make the area clear. You see me? Yeah. Because me have my mouth can't talk. Me have my mouth can't talk to you. You see me? But you me not talk to people.
Obviously, but my thing is, what I was thinking is, yeah, all this time you could have talked about it, you could have let it out, you know, get it off your chest, whatever it is. But all of a sudden today, after how much more is going on?
Mama, what's in a cutie? Me not take no program. Nobody can program me. When them in a them hot seat, them do what them want to do and say what them want to say.
Me not lie to you, Dewey. But did I listen to one part when you talked earlier? No, let me tell you what part. When you say she said she don't want nobody for call your name, don't call him name over here. So she, to be honest with you, I was on that live. She weren't doing that in a disrespectful way to disrespect you.
I did not say she was. That's why I clear. That's why we even not clear the way either too.
She was.
Listen in a real life. I hear this and listen this good. It's when people paint a bad picture on you. No matter what I go do, it not go change the mere facts of them paint that on you. You hear that? You hear me say to you? You see my family them alone destroy over the whole situation. You hear that? She can't sit down. Them can't sit down on table and have family. Me can't go around a table with my.
God say yes, God will bless it. Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV, crazy, never lazy. The Queen is here. Mwah!